Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you all are fine today. Please let me know in the comment section how much time do you invest in spoken English practice? How many minutes do you spend in spoken English practice? Because it is very essential to start speaking in English if you want to become fluent in English. Please start speaking in English, okay? In this video, I am going to give you one simple trick to become fluent in English. What is that trick? The trick is narration. Narration. So, what is that? What is narration? And how it can be helpful to become fluent in English? So, suppose you are reading one book and after that you are supposed to narrate that story from that book. If you have read only one page, do not worry, you are supposed to and you have to speak, you have to narrate that incidents, that story, those characters, and whatever that happened in that story in that particular book. You are supposed to narrate every incident, every character in your own words. Do not worry about vocabulary, do not worry about grammar rules, do not worry about sentence formation. If you are using wrong words and incorrect sentence formation, vocabulary, do not worry about it. You make mistakes while you learn something, okay? So please try to narrate that book pages. If you have read only one page or two page, three page, you are supposed to narrate that story, novel. And if you have read poem, then you can elaborate, you can narrate that poem, okay? Next point is, I always tell you to watch English movies, shows, podcast, interview, videos to improve your fluency in English, okay? So if you watch any movie, podcast, interview, then you can narrate that movie. If you have watched small scene of that particular movie, you are supposed to narrate, you are supposed to describe that scene in your own words, okay? I have said you earlier, do not worry about grammar rules, do not worry about words, vocabulary, etc. You do not have to worry about anything because you are learning. If you are watching any movies, clips, scene, please try to watch it, repeat and repeat and repeat, and then you can narrate that scene. You can narrate characters, what kind of characters were there in that particular scene, movies, and what was the storyline. Use your own words with confidence. Simple words are supposed to be used, okay? Next point is, if you are a student in school, if you are a student in college, if you have to study on daily basis and you want to become fluent in English, you can do one thing. You have studied your topic of your syllabus, okay? Then after studying that one particular topic, you can narrate and you can describe that topic. So two benefits you get from this exercise: narration your topic, you can go through your topic, you will get revision of your topic, and you can practice your spoken English too, okay? You can become fluent in English by describing, by narrating your topic, and you can go through your study topic too. So this is the way to revise your syllabus and to become fluent in English. Next point is, you can narrate your routine. So before go to sleep, you can narrate your whole entire day. You are supposed to speak to yourself, talk to yourself about your day. What did you do in your routine? What did you do in entire day. You are supposed to describe your routine. This is the way to become fluent in English, and this is the trick to practice your spoken English. So describe your routine, and you can write in journal too about your routine. So that was simple trick to become fluent in English. Please do include this simple trick in your daily session of spoken English. You can become fluent in English. Believe in yourself. If you want to become fluent in English, please start speaking in English with whatever resources you have. Do not wait for perfect teacher. Do not wait for perfect situation, circumstances. Do not wait for perfect coaching classes, and do not wait for perfect background support system. Please, with whatever resources you have, you can start your learning journey. You have your mobile phone, okay, you have YouTube, and you have many other platforms to use for free. Please use and utilize those resources. YouTube is a huge platform to learn any skills. You can become fluent in English. Just you have to believe in yourself. Start your journey. Nobody can stop you. If you sit and dream about anything, nothing is going to happen. You have to stand up. You have to act now. You have to act now. Do not wait for perfect scene in your life. Nothing is perfect. You can help yourself, and you can speak English. You can become fluent in English. Just believe in yourself, and please be disciplined, be consistent, and work hard with super consistency. Believe in yourself. If you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe, do like, hit the like button, share it with your family and friends who want to become fluent in English, learn English. Please believe in yourself. Take care. I will see you in my next video with new topic. You are free to suggest me or to say anything in my comment section. Leave a comment. Take care. Work hard. Bye.